Hello guys, let me help you. Ziad is here. Today in our third episode I'm going to show you how to activate your Windows. You know, sometimes you get a text here that's like a watermark and it says activate Windows. It's then that you know that your Windows has expired, so you need to activate. This is very easy. It would not require you to download any software, to install anything, to subscribe anywhere. It's just some very simple steps that I'm going to show you now. So you go to your browser, you click bit.ly, and there it is. You copy the text, paste it, and enter. As you can see, you get this page with a lot of text, a lot of symbols and numbers. You don't have to worry. You just need to copy from the at here at the very top and all the way to the letter E at the end of the word pause. Copy, go to your desktop, create a new text document. You don't have to change the name or anything, just keep it the way it is. Paste the text here and then File, Save As. Keep the name as it is and just add .cmd. CMD. That's it. You get this new file here. Now you can delete this file, this text file that you created. And for this new file you can just run it as admin. And as you can see, it says that it supports all these versions of Windows 10. And now we're just going to wait a little. It's very natural if it says that connecting to the servers failed a couple of times. It's okay if it happens. As you can see, it's still trying. The connection failed. It's normal. It may say that it failed a couple of times, but in the end, voila, as you can see, product activated successfully. At the bottom it says, would you like to visit my blog? Of course no, so you just press N and that's it. Now your Windows is activated. If you go and check in my computer, it will say that Windows is activated, even though mine was activated anyway, but if yours says that it wasn't activated, now it will be activated. That's it guys, you don't need to do anything else. If you like the video, hit a thumbs up, give a comment, write your opinion on what you want us to do in our following video, and also share the video, because you know there are many people that are facing problems in activating their Windows versions, so this will be very helpful for them. Let me help you always.